Question number 1. Select abstract noun from the following. A. Mouse. B. Book. C. Loyalty. D. Laptop. The correct answer is option C, loyalty. Question number 2. A. Of locusts attack the crops. A. Swarm. B. Bouquet. C. Gang. C. Herd. The correct answer is option A, swarm. Question number 3. Verbs that give detail of an idea is called A. Specific word. B. Vivid verbs. C. Modifier. D. None of these. The correct answer is option B, vivid verbs. Question number 4. Choose the uncountable word from the following. A. Boy. B. Table. C. Car. D. Honey. The correct answer is option D, honey. Question number 5. The plural of the word spectacle is A. Spectacle. B. Spectacles. C. Spectacles. D. Spectales. The correct answer is option B, spectacles. Question number 6. Kalam is a green and pleasant valley. Noun phrase in this sentence is A. Green. B. Pleasant. C. Green and pleasant. D. Green and pleasant valley. The correct answer is option D, green and pleasant valley. Question number 7. The of thieves has been arrested by the police. A. Herd. B. Group. C. Gang. D. Swarm. The correct answer is option C, gang. Question number 8. The word intelligence is A. Noun. A. Concrete. B. Abstract. C. Countable. D. Uncountable. The correct answer is option B, abstract. Question number 9. Students welcomed their new teacher with A. Of flowers. A. Bouquet. B. Bundle. C. Flock. D. Group. The correct answer is option A, bouquet. Question number 10. He is the epitome of tolerance. The word epitome in this sentence means A. Essence. B. Embodiment. C. Contrary. D. Example. The correct answer is option D, example. Question number 11. We decided to do all the cooking instead of hiring a cook. A. Our. B. By ourselves. C. Oneself. D. Of our own. The correct answer is option B, by ourselves. Question number 12. Do you remember the village you were born in? A. Which. B. That. C. Where. D. Whose. The correct answer is option C, where. Question number 13. I won't be able to be there. A. Myself. B. Mine. C. Oneself. D. Yourself. The correct answer is option A, myself. Question number 14. The hungry fox saw a bunch of grapes. The word bunch is A/N. A. Common noun. B. Uncountable noun. C. Collective noun. D. Proper noun. The correct answer is option C, collective noun. Question number 15. Don't cry over spilt milk. Milk is an example of A. Collective noun. B. Common noun. C. Countable noun. D. Uncountable noun. The correct answer is option D, uncountable noun. Question number 16. You look very confused by homework, Amjad. I help you. A. May. B. Have. C. Should. D. Can. The correct answer is option D, can. Question number 17. The welcome the chief guest with A. Of flowers. A. Bunch. B. Bouquet. C. Flock. D. Swarms. The correct answer is option B, bouquet. Question number 18. Intransitive verbs do not require A/N. A. Subject. B. Object. C. Verb. D. None of these. The correct answer is option B, object. Question number 19. Allama Muhammad Iqbal is an example of noun. A. Proper. B. Common. C. Countable. D. Abstract. The correct answer is option A, proper. Question number 20. Which one is the example of a countable noun? A. Oil. B. Book. C. Sugar. D. Juice. The correct answer is option B. Book. Thanks for watching. For more videos and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel.